Boom shakalaka, if Bitcoin breaks this line, you'll never believe what happens next. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, some crazy charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Before we get into it guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, and of course subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now today, fear and greed jumping back up into green-colored green, back to 70 from yesterday and the day before 63 or low 60s. The overall market up just a touch today. Bitcoin 96,713, Ethereum at 3,200, and XRP 274. Now Bitcoin sitting just below this yellow line right here, the 50-day moving average. As of right now, the price above the 21-day moving or 21 EMA. You missed your chance. That's the best buying opportunity for Bitcoin in a bull run below the 21 EMA. Sorry, unless price goes down. It does appear like we did find support on this trend line, but there is some volume profile resistance right around 98,000 and also the big even of $100,000 and also the 50-day moving average to break through before anything big happens. Now it looks like that could happen. The last presidential election going into inauguration, there was panic, stabilization, and then everything is fine and the market took off. Could we be seeing the same thing playing out once again? It's quite possible. The only reason it wouldn't be doing that is this green chart right here. So while sentiment may be bullish, maybe bearish, maybe cautious, who knows? But if we take a look, local risk is peaking for the first time this cycle. Last cycle, risk peaked, price came down a little bit and then continued. But the big elephant in the room, and it's a green one, is this SOPR model right here. There's a ton of coins in profit that have been selling and plenty more profit taking to go before prices properly reset. You can see it came all the way back to zero and a little bit negative before things took off on this most recent rally. So maybe we might be headed towards the same territory. Now that being said, Bitcoin has not yet hit the dark red RSI greater than 80 area, the pump and hype yet, where everybody is a self-proclaimed Dogecoin and fartcoin trader. When that happens, we'll know the top is in. But we did just see recently retail investor volume demand 30-day change drop very sharply down to this red area. The last time this happened was Q2 of 2021, and look what happened right afterwards. Pretty big rally. So could we have a major surge like that? Let's hope. Right now, Bitcoin is following 2017 almost perfectly. 2017 had a very nice blow-off top. Let's hope we see that type of formation once again, because there are some very big charts for Bitcoin. If this one lines up, I don't know what these moving averages are, but when they cross over at the bottom, that is these yellow dots in Bitcoin price, and take a look at where we are compared with previous cycles before the major bull run even happens, not even close to the lavender dots that signal peaks. So there could be possibly a very, very large upside before we see the top. Also, if you take a look at this bullish megaphone pattern, could it be Bitcoin has found support, retested that upper resistance line, and then price rockets off? Let's hope so. Some very big things brewing for Bitcoin, because if we compare the most recent price movement, it looks very, very similar to October of 2020. Now, after that happened, price did consolidate. That would have price coming back to $81,000-ish if that happens. But then look at the rally that happened. If we saw the same rally, $380,000 is possible. And if you take a look at the quantile model over the next 12 months, that aligns very nicely with the upper band, this red band where Bitcoin price did tap every single bull run so far. That's $400,000 on the upside, $254,000 on the lower side. But that could be a very realistic estimate for Bitcoin. Now, altcoins right now also finding support, retesting support, the previous top of 2021. How about that? After bouncing on this total 3 Gaussian channel, which is done many times during the bull run, it looks like Q1, Q2 will be potentially huge for altcoins as it has been historically. So watch out for the next few months. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, we got a playlist of the crypto 2025 price predictions. XRP nailed that 5x price pump 4 months before it even happened. Who can do that? Nailed the price perfectly. Check out that playlist. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.